Hello everyone, hope you are having an amazing day. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Today I'll be showing you how to make chili garlic Maggi Korean style. In a saucepan, add in 1.5 cup of water. Once it reaches boiling, add in a pack of Maggi noodles. Cook for 2 minutes. That's what the package says. It's been about 2.5 to 3 minutes on high flame. My Maggi is cooked. Meanwhile, I'll finely chop 3 garlic pods and some spring onions. Once it's done, take 2 teaspoons of sesame oil in a tempering pan. Heat it till it is smoking hot. Meanwhile, in a bowl, add in the chopped garlic and half of the spring onions. Now, to this add in half a tablespoon of sesame seeds, a tablespoon of chili flakes, a teaspoon of soy sauce. To this add in a teaspoon of chili sauce or Szechuan sauce. Now add in the pack of Maggi seasoning. Now add in the smoking hot oil. Give it all a good mix. Once it is well mixed, add in the cooked Maggi to this and mix it well. Mix it till the Maggi is evenly coated with the chili garlic sauce. Ignore my poor chopstick skills as I am currently learning. Once it's all well mixed, garnish it with remaining spring onions and some sesame seeds. Now pretend it to be a bowl of ramen and watch your favorite Kdrama. Jokes apart, it's really yummy and everyone would love it. Hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you.